Bonjour, we're Tim and Karen, and we moved 2 dogs and 2 cats across 2 oceans and a continent and found ourselves in southwest France, where we bought this 300-year-old house.
An old house is a reflection about the stories within its walls, and we're going to be part of that story as we look to create a simple everyday life here in the French countryside.
We have a budget, and we're going to have to stick to it.
It's tiny.
But we're not going to compromise on quality, so we're going to be doing most of the work ourselves.
It's going to take a lot of time and patience.
Fortunately, we're in it for the journey, and you can follow along with us here on Living a French Life and find out what works and what doesn't.
We have a lot to learn, but sometimes old stone walls and broken floorboards have a lot to teach you about life.
And we're going to find out exactly what that is here on Living a French Life. Bonjour, we're Tim and Karen. Are you laughing?
Sunday morning and the sky is blue. I got forever with you.